Hi, today we will talk about a copy and paste in LibreOffice. Some interesting things about copy and paste. It's very easy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, but we want to talk something else about this. In this text I choose from here, from sidebar, heading 1 for this. This is a simple sentence. I will make a little bit complicated in order to show you something. We insert here a hyperlink on this text. We make this text to be bold, this to be italic, and we make some changes here in order to show you the copy-paste thing. We insert here something with superscript. So we have this paragraph. Now we want to select this, so we have some things to know. Let's see, if I'm simple selecting, I can select from here to here and copy, but also I can select one word with double click, and I select a word. Now with triple click I can select a sentence, as you can see, triple and a sentence. If I want the whole paragraph, I can click fourth time, very quick. You can see now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and I can select all the paragraph and I can copy and paste. If I am Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I can paste very easy. But we have some paste special. So let's see, we have unformatted text. And we have also more options. Let's paste as unformatted text now. You can see now we have it italic, bold, hyperlink, and so on. So unformatted text, we lose everything. We don't have hyperlink, we don't have bold, italic, and so on. You can see now. You can see here it's very different because it's unformatted. We don't have these changes. You can see we don't have superscript here also. So this is unformatted text. Let's see more. Paste special, we have more options. We have rich text formatting, who prefer this form. We have also HTML form and so on. Let's try this dynamic data exchange. This is a copy of the original sentence, but if I modify the original, this text is now with gray will change. Let's see what I've copied. No, it's not from here. I copy this. So you can see if I'm inserting 3 points, I have 3 points over here. If I'm deleting and I'm making something here, I'm telling no way here. You can see here, no way. So everything I change is changing everywhere. Let's make another example here, an original text, and here I will have I will paste this original text as dynamic. So let's copy first, copy, and paste special as dynamic data exchange. So let's modify now. You can see it's changing only the original text, not what I have after that. So this is not updating. just until the word text. So let's change here. Everything we change here is changing down there. If I write this is not original, also the paste, this is not original. What when this could be very useful? Imagine something like text in a business report, and we have, for example, the profit for 2018. We have this number here. This is the profit we get. We have some other info, and we tell a little bit down there that the profit was like, and we don't want to write again. We just copy this and paste it as dynamic data exchange, and we continue at the report. Now the accountant says, oh, the profit is not this, it's like that. You can see in the down there we have the same profit. Now we don't have to change every time we update the information in the document. We have the same information because we linked these two numbers. You can see now. So we have two numbers connected. I hope this tutorial was very useful to you. I hope you enjoyed this. This is version 6.5. Please subscribe and watch for more video. Thank you.